नमस्कार, I am Professor P.B. Gole, MEPs, KTHM College Nasik, Department of Commerce, SYBCom, Semester 4, Cost and Work Accounting 2nd, Chapter 2nd, Labor Cost Remunerations and Incentive. Topic: Comparative Features, Halsey and Rowan Plan. In the previous lecture, we have studied Halsey Premium Plan and Rowan Premium Plan. After this, in this lecture, we will study comparative features of Halsey Plan and Rowan Plan. Halsey Premium Plan was introduced by Mr. Frederick Halsey and an American mechanical engineer in 1981. Rowan Premium Plan was introduced by James Rowan, Glasgow, Scotland in 1898. Calculations shown in the above comparative features of Halsey Plan and Rowan Plan. First, earning per hour. Under Halsey Plan and Rowan Plan, earning per hour of worker keep increasing, but rate of earning under the two plan differ when time saved is less than 50% of time allowed. The rate of increase in per hour earning in higher in Rowan Plan, where and when time saved is more than 50% of time allowed, the ratio of increase in per hour earning is higher in Halsey Plan at 50% time saved. Earning per hour under both the schemes are the same. Second, bonus. When times saved increase, bonus under Halsey Plan also keep on increasing, but under Rowan Plan, when time saved increase, bonus increases only when time saved is up to 50% of the standard time. Thereafter, amount of bonus starts declining at 50% time saved. Bonus under both the plan in the same. Before 50% of standard time saved, bonus under Rowan Plan is higher than that of Halsey Plan, and after 50% of the time saved, bonus under Rowan Plan is lower than that of Halsey Plan. It is increasing to note that under Rowan Plans, a person who has saved 60% of time allowed earn the same amount of bonus if they saves 40% of the time allowed under Halsey Plan. Third, effect of labor cost. Labor cost per unit decrease as production increase up to the standard. Thereafter, it continues to decrease but not so rapidly under Rowan Plan. Cost per unit is higher than under Halsey Plan until time saved is 50% of time allowed. Thereafter, it is lower and soon become substantially lower at 50% time saved. Labor cost is the same under both the plan. Next, similarities of Halsey Premium Plan and Rowan Premium Plan. Under both premium plan, the point of similar under are as under. First, worker get guaranteed time wages as part of basis emolument. Second, labor cost per unit decrease with increase in efficiency. Third, Workers do not get full benefit of substantial time saved by them, for fixed overhead cost in a decrease with the improvement in efficiency. Next topic, disclaimeries of Halsey Premium Plan and Rowan Premium Plan. Halsey Premium Plan and Rowan Premium Plan are the important incentive plan actually introduced to remove the disadvantages of time wages and piece wages system, and also to combine two advantages of them. This plan also provides certain additional incentive to the employee to work effectively and efficiently. There are a number of similarities and dissimilarities between the two, which summarize as follows. Difference between Halsey Premium Plan and Rowan Premium Plan. Halsey Premium Plan. First difference, it was introduced by Mr. F. A. Halsey on American Mechanical Engineer in 1891. Rowan Premium Plan, it was introduced by James Rowan, Glasgow, Scotland in 1898. Second difference, Halsey Premium Planner, it is a very simple in calculation and economical too. Rowan Premium Plan, it is more complex, is calculations and expensive too. Third, Halsey Premium Plan, the worker are entitled to get a bonus as a percentage of time saved with various between 30% and 70%, the most usual being 50%, which rises steadily. Rowan Premium Plan, the worker are entitled to get a bonus in production of actual wages which time saved bears to standard time which rises faster. 4. Halsey Premium Plan, the total earning are calculated as E equal to HW into REH plus 50 in bracket TA minus TT bracket complete into REH. Formula of Rowan Premium Plan, the total earning are calculated as E equal to HW into REH plus TT into TS divided by TA into RS. For difference, when time save is more than 50% time allowed, the rate of increase in per hour earning is higher. Rowan Premium Plan, when time saved is less than 50% of time allowed, the rate of increase in per hour earning is higher. Halsey Premium Plan, when time saved increase, bonus also increase substantially. Rowan Premium Plan, when time saved increase, bonus increases only when time saved in 50% of the standard time. Thereafter, the amount of bonus decrease substantially. 7. Halsey Premium Plan, labor cost per unit decrease as production increase up to the standard. Rowan Premium Plan, labor cost per unit is much higher until time saved is 50% of time allowed. Next, Halsey Premium Plan, incentive is not so strong as under the worker works lesser he get per unit. Rowan Premium Plan, incentive is weak at high production level when the time saved is more than 50% time allowed. Next, Halsey Premium Plan, as the employer gets the sharing of the saving in time, it motivates him to provide best equipments and suitable method. Rowan Premium Plan, as the employer gets the proportionate benefit of increased output, it motivates him to provide best possible working facilities. Next, Halsey Premium Plan, employer does not get full protection against bad rate setting. Rowan Premium Plan, it provides very easy excuse to employer for loose rate setting. 11. Halsey Premium Plan, it encourages the worker to attempt excessive speeding up, hence risk to quality of work is more. Rowan Premium Plan, it does not encourage the worker to attempt excessive speeding up, hence risk to quality of work is less. Last, Halsey Premium Plan, the wages rate per hour can be doubled only after 50% of time saved, and it is very difficult to save more than 50%. Hence, workers have no preference for the plan. Rowan Premium Plan, the wages rate is higher up to 50% of time saved and fall thereafter. Hence, workers have more preference for the plan. Difference between Halsey Premium Plan and Rowan Premium Plan is over. Thank you.